A trophy drone with a surprise. Analyzing an enemy unit. 1.3 GHz video crossfire link. Few people notice the crossfire is relatively easy to hijack, so the enemy found a clever and cheap fix. The flight controller is nudging backwards. The direction arrow points to the tail instead of the head. What does this do? The operator simply inverts the sticks on their radio. If you hijack this drone, you get fully reversed controls. Forward is backward, left is right. Before you figure out why the drone disobeys you, you will crash it. A dead simple anti-hijack.